Hello, welcome back to Hunter Tune. Today I'm going to show you guys how I fixed my Honda hood latch on this EK hatch right here. Pretty much ever since I got this car, it had an issue where the hood would like pop up, whether it be from wind going down the road or banging a gear too hard and like having the front of the car shake around, the hood would pop up and then I would notice it and pull over and then have to shut it again. So in this video I'm going to show you guys how I fixed that with the factory latch. Because if your hood doesn't stay actually all the way shut, you run the risk of having the hood fly open and then smash the windshield, which is the worst case scenario. But always make sure your hood is all the way latched. So I recently put this carbon fiber hood on this car, and I could, if I pulled hard enough, it's all the way latched right now. If I pulled hard enough before, I could just pop it open. No matter what I did, it would just continuously pop open, even with just a little bit of pressure under the front of it. And when I would pop the hood from inside the car there, after popping the hood, I would always have to come down here where the cable attaches and push this little mechanism, the arm for the hood release. I'd always have to push it back in prior to me shutting the hood again. And I've had a lot of Honda Civics over the years. This isn't the first car that I've had this problem on, where the hood doesn't want to stay shut and you always have to push that little mechanism thing back in before shutting it, or it wouldn't latch. So what I did to fix this issue is I actually took this spring off from inside of the hood latch, and I'm going to show you guys where this spring goes and what I did to fix it. I actually put an upgraded, stiffer spring in from the hardware store. I just went to the hardware store and I found a spring that was about the same size but a lot stiffer, and holy crap, it feels like a totally different car when you pop the hood now. There's the spring that I replaced. That's the one I'm talking about. It pretty much connects to the actuator that the cable is attached to, and then it also connects to the piece that is your hood release right here. So replacing that spring with something stiffer actually makes my hood release right here a lot stiffer as well, and I no longer have to go inside of here with my finger or a screwdriver to push that in order to shut the hood. So now every time I pop the hood, I can just shut it, and it's a nice distinct click right in. It's awesome. It honestly made the hood shutting experience a lot crisper. It feels like you know it's latched and it's not going to pop open again until you come down here and actually pull the release, which I don't know if you guys could hear, but it's even more of a crisper like pop on the release with the cable too. And I can go like this, and I'm always paranoid, but this thing hasn't moved at all since I changed the spring, and then I just come right back down, boom, done. Hopefully that helps you guys. I just wanted to come on here and show you how I fixed the hood release on this car specifically, and it'll definitely be a little bit of a hack trick. I wish I had the part number for the spring, but my local hardware store just has like a bin of like a random springs and stuff, and they label them like, oh, 52 cents or 65 cents. There's not like a part number that I got. I just went down to the hardware store and brought the original spring with, and I just compared a couple other ones to it, and I found something that was about the same size or close, but it was a lot harder to pull, just to keep tension on the cable and all that kind of stuff. And honestly kind of blown away with how much better the hood release and stuff feels just by putting a stiffer spring right there. And I feel like it'll be safer and be a lot less prone to the hood popping open. That's gonna be it for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed this little tip on hacking your Honda hood latch, modifying your hood latch so it stays shut better, etc. I hope it helps. Have a great night and a better tomorrow, guys. God bless.